So, chiropractic care and blood pressure. So, what's the relationship? Well, the two top bones in your neck, atlas and axis, which atlas is called atlas because the Greek god holds the world up. Your atlas bone holds up your world, which is your skull. That's why it's called atlas. And then the second bone in your neck is called axis. And it's called axis because the top bone, atlas, rotates around an axis. But those two bones protect what's called the brainstem, and the brainstem literally controls your autonomic nervous system function. So it controls your sleep and awake cycle, it controls your blood pressure, it controls your digestion, it controls all these functions. So we did a double-blind study, which is the best research in medicine in general. Double-blind means that you don't know whether you're getting the real treatment or a fake or placebo treatment. So they took 50 patients, all with neck subluxations in either C1 or C2. They all had to have high blood pressure, and they took those 50 patients and they did a procedure called NUCA technique. NUCA stands for National Upper Cervical Chiropractic Association, and it's very gentle, and you put the patient on the side and you just slightly and at a certain angle you correct the atlas alignment. The great thing about this particular adjustment is you don't know whether you're getting a real adjustment or a fake adjustment because it just feels like somebody's tickling your neck. So they did a real adjustment to 25 patients, and then they did a fake adjustment to the other patients. So the 25 that got the real adjustment, their blood pressure dropped 8 points systolic and 14 points diastolic, which that's more than 2 blood pressure medications combined. And that was huge. This was in Chicago at one of the research centers there. This was on a bunch of different news stations after this research came out. But not only did they fix the blood pressure of the 25 that they did the real adjustment on, then after the study was done, they took the 25 that didn't get any improvement in blood pressure, they fixed their neck, and they got pretty much the same results as far as a blood pressure drop. So chiropractic care most people think of back pain, neck pain, and headaches, but really we are influencing the whole nervous system. So, and that includes the autonomic nervous system function, and the autonomic nervous system function really controls and coordinates everything that you don't think about. Your blood pressure, your heart rate, your digestion. You don't have to think about digesting your food, it just happens. Your immune response is another thing. We see a lot of kids that come in and get sick all the time, and after they start to get an adjustment, their immune system works more efficiently and they're not getting sick as often. And so chiropractic care really improves or benefits the whole body, and it's not just restricted to just pain.